Alright, this is a quick video showing the UJK Parf Fence that they've just released. It's 600mm long and I believe it's 10mm wide with the 20mm pre-done holes. Now what I've found is that it works very well for small shelving, but if you're using kitchen shelving it would have been nicer if they'd made the holes on the outside to the outside with an internal measurement of over 600, because then you could fit a 600mm piece of cabinet underneath the rail, which you can't do at the moment. So this basically just shows how precise this is all made. That just slots straight over the top using the 20mm system, of which I've also made this top using the Parf Guide system, and this is the Mark II version, which was a breeze to make. I'm also using the UJK stop to stop the board from twisting, and just a clamp to hold it in place. The reason for purchasing the Parf Fence was so that I could use my router to route shelf grooves in easier, rather than using my track saw fence. And you just move it down to your next mark where you want to have the next one. Clamp it up and you're ready to go. Lovely Parf Fence, but it would have been nicer if the overall of the internal holes on the Parf Fence was more than 600 for kitchen fitting.